And India's outgoing Vice President Ahmed Ansari has said there is a feeling of unease and a sense of insecurity among Muslims in India. In his interview to Rajya Sabha TV before demitting office, Ansari also said that he had flagged the issue of rising intolerance with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his cabinet colleagues. His comments come in the backdrop of a rise of cases of vigilantism and lynching of Muslims and Dalits in the country. The outgoing Vice President said that he shared the view of many that intolerance in India is on the rise. And on a question on why he thinks Indian values were suddenly breaking down, Ansari said that India has been a plural society for centuries and not just in the 70 years of independence, adding that the country has always lived in a certain ambience of acceptance. Ansari's second five-year term as Vice President ends today.
From all I hear from different quarters in the country, I heard the same thing in Bangalore, I've heard from other parts of the country. I hear a great deal more about it in North India. There is a feeling of unease, a sense of insecurity is creeping in.
And the Rajya Sabha bid farewell to Ansari today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recounted his contributions to public life. Listen in.
मेरी तरफ से आपको हृदय से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं। राष्ट्र के उपराष्ट्रपति के रूप में आपकी सेवाओं के लिए दोनों सदन की तरफ से, देशवासियों की तरफ से भी आपके प्रति आभार का भाव है और आपका कर्तृत्व, आपका ये अनुभव और इस पद के बाद की निवृत्ति अपने आप में एक लंबे अरसे तक समाज जीवन में उस बात को वजन रखती है। राष्ट्र के संविधान की मर्यादाओं के चलते हुए देश को मार्गदर्शन करने में आपका समय शक्ति काम आएगा।